As cunning as a fox can be heard in many languages. Why do foxes have the reputation of being smart and witty? These small to medium-sized animals with flattened skull, upright triangular ears, a pointed, slightly upturned snout, and a long bushy tail have unique skills in finding food, surviving in extreme weather conditions, outwitting predators, and protecting their cubs. These skills make them the most intelligent animals in the world. For example, a fox can catch a mouse at a snow depth of more than 3 feet, even if the mouse is moving. Foxes are able to determine a mouse's speed and trajectory and land on exactly the right spot of snow. Foxes are nocturnal animals. They have increased visibility in dim light due to vertically slanted pupils. Foxes can climb trees, use their whiskers to navigate, and even stalk their prey like cats. Foxes can retract their claws and stride silently and elegantly using the balls of their feet. When hunting, they slowly approach their prey, creeping low to the ground and stretching their head high to spot the prey. Then, bum, they pounce on the mouse, rabbit, or other small mammal. Foxes have excellent hearing. Scientists have discovered that red foxes can hear a watch ticking from 40 yards away. Their sensitive hearing helps them to identify prey underground. What's even more interesting is that foxes use the Earth's magnetic field to locate their prey. That, in combination with their impeccable hearing, makes them pretty fierce predators. But foxes have weaknesses too. They are light and fall very quickly. The favorite dish of foxes is cottontail rabbit, but they also hunt mice, voles, squirrels, songbirds, ducks, and pheasants. In spring and summer, they can eat berries and insects. In northern parts of the world, the popular food of foxes are snowshoe hares. Foxes are solitary creatures. They prefer to hunt and sleep alone, but when they are busy raising their young, they create families known as a leash of foxes living in underground dens. After mating, usually in mid-January, females make a nest of leaves inside her burrow on which to have her pups. Both the mother and father share the care of pups. When the female fox called vixen has her pups, a litter of foxes can range between 1 and 11 pups. They live in the den together for 7 months, while the pups grow. The pups live in the den with the vixen, while the male fox, called dog fox, gathers food. Even older siblings will help take care of their younger brothers and sisters by bringing them food. These underground dens also provide shelter from predators such as coyotes, wolves, and bears. Foxes live on every continent except Antarctica. There are 12 different species of fox: Arctic fox, also known as polar or white fox; Phoenix fox, found in the Sahara and the Arabian deserts; pale fox, native to Sahel region of Africa; Blanford fox or Afghan or royal fox, living in Central Asia and the Middle East; Tibetan sand fox; Bengal fox, found on the Indian subcontinent, and others. Red fox is the largest and the most widespread species of fox that can be found across the northern hemisphere. The red fox is considered to be the smartest of all fox species. Foxes are smelly. They stink. They have a sickly, musty scent that comes from the glands at the base of their tails. But some foxes, for example gray foxes living in the mountains of California, deliberately rub themselves in the scent marks left by mountain lions, pumas, or cougars as a sort of odor camouflage against other predators like coyotes. Foxes can produce up to 40 different sounds. The most noticeable is their scream-like howl, which is sure to send a shiver up your spine. Geckering is also the most common noise made by foxes, especially in a dispute. Foxes, especially red foxes, are highly territorial. If another fox intrudes into its territory, foxes are likely to chatter loudly back and forth in defense of their home. Foxes are extremely playful. They love to play. There even have been reported to steal golf balls from golf courses to play with. Foxes like to play alone, with other foxes and other animals, even with deer.